exercises with resistant bands. If you don't already have resistant bands with the door stopper, check out the link below for this Fit to Fly set. Before we get started, I want to thank everyone for participating in the hip band giveaway. Now let's see who won. And it looks like we have a winner. Congratulations, and please contact us to claim your prize. Now let's get started. What a back workout! I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know what was your favorite exercise in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay strong.